Animal Kingdom. Let's play! Which phylum is a coelomate and triploblastic animal? Options: A. Phylum Ctenophora, B. Phylum Annelida, C. Phylum Coelenterata, D. Phylum Porifera. The correct answer is Phylum Annelida. When the coelomic fluid serves as a skeleton, it is known as A. Exoskeleton, B. Hydrostatic skeleton, C. Endoskeleton, D. Cartilaginous skeleton. The answer is B. Hydrostatic skeleton. The limbless amphibian is A. Ichthyophis, B. Hyla, C. Rana, D. Buffo. The answer is A. Ichthyophis. What is the main excretory organ in insects? A. Proboscis gland, B. Malpighian tubules, C. Gills, D. Excretory pore.
The answer is B. Malpighian tubules. In some animal groups, the body is found divided into compartments with serial repetition of at least some organs. The characteristic feature is called A. Segmentation, B. Metagenesis, C. Metamerism, D. Metamorphosis. The answer is C. Metamerism. Choose the odd one out based on column. Annelids, mollusks, platyhelminthes, arthropods, A. Arthropods, B. Mollusks, C. Annelids, D. Platyhelminthes. The answer is D. Platyhelminthes. Which one of the following group of animals is correctly matched with its characteristics without any exception? A. Reptilia possess three-chambered heart with incompletely divided ventricle. B. Mammalia give birth to young ones. C. Chordates possess a mouth with an upper and lower jaw. Do chondrish thighs possess cartilaginous endoskeleton?
The answer is D. Chondrichthyes possess cartilaginous endoskeleton.
Air bladder is absent in a seahorse bee shark. C. Flying fish, D. All of the above.
The answer is B. Shark. Which among the following is a gregarious pest? A. Locusta, B. Apis, C. Laxifer, D. Bombyx. The answer is A. Locusta. The larvae of Urochordates is called A. Sticky rays, B. Tadpole, C. Larvalone, D. Amocoetae.
The answer is B. Tadpole. In coelenterates, the cell shows A. Tissue level of organisation, B. Organ system level of organisation, C. Organ level of organisation, D. Cellular level of organisation. The answer is A. Tissue level of organisation. Animals which possess cleidoic egg exhibit A. External fertilisation and external development, B. External fertilisation and internal development, C. Internal fertilisation and internal development, D. Internal fertilisation and external development. The answer is D. Internal fertilisation and external development. The phylum in which adults exhibit radial symmetry and larvae exhibit bilateral symmetry is A. Phylum Arthropoda, B. Phylum Echinodermata, C. Phylum Annelida, D. Phylum Aschelminthes. The answer is B. Phylum Echinodermata. 14. Identify the animal given below. Mention its phylum. A. Ascidia and phylum Chordata, C. Euspongia and phylum Porifera, D. Aurelia and phylum Coelenterata, B. Spongilla and phylum Porifera. The answer is C. Euspongia and phylum Porifera.
The scientific name of Asian tiger mosquito. A. Aedes aegypti. B. Aedes albolineatus. C. Aedes taeniorhynchus. D. Aedes albopictus. The answer is D. Aedes albopictus. Which of these is a fresh water sponge? A. Leucosolania. B. Euplectella. C. Cycon. D. Spongilla. The answer is Duon spongilla. Which group of chordates possesses sucking and circular mouth without jaws? A. Class Chondrichthyes. B. Class Cyclostomata. C. Class Osteichthyes. D. Both B and C. The answer is B. Class Cyclostomata. The excretory organ of Saccoglossus is A. Malpighian tubules. B. Proboscis gland. C. Gills. D. Excretory pore. The answer is B. Proboscis gland. 18 species going to extinct due to low reproductive rate is A. Island, SPSB, bald eagle, sea lion, D. Giant panda. The answer is D. Giant panda. Given below are types of cells present in some animals. Which of the following cells can differentiate to perform different functions? A. Choanocytes. B. Nematocytes. C. Gastrodermal cells. D. Interstitial cells. The answer is D. Interstitial cells.